Let's make kale fried rice together, or in Thai we call it Kale Pat Kale. First thing first, mise en place, right? I'm just going to do my knife, cut beautiful kale, all kale bits as well. Let's do the garlic. Then I would say half of the onion is more than okay. Done. These two are the garnish part. I just keep on chopping the scallion just a tiny bit. Bowl, same thing with cilantro, tomatoes. Now I'm going to move and change my cutting board, my protein. Today I'm choosing chicken thighs. Voila. I just rinsed my hand from cutting the chicken, so let's get the rice cooking. I'm gonna put in vegetable oil. I'm gonna put in my garlic. And I don't wanna burn my garlic, so I'm gonna put in my onion right away. And I'm gonna make kinda, like circle in the middle to put in the eggs. And this is my technique. I like my eggs to not scramble. I let the egg yolk cook a little bit. I let the egg white get crusty a little bit. What I do is I break that and break that, break, and let it cook a little bit more. Now that the egg's almost cooked, I'm putting in the chicken. I'm gonna season my chicken, my little sweet kiss. This sauce has fish sauce, the soy sauce, and it's almost like an all-purpose sauce to make a stir fry or a fried rice. This is the key. When you choose your own protein, you don't want it to dry, because like when you cook with a little bit of fat, it helps, right? I mean, that is the science of cooking. Leftover rice. And you see that the rice is basically leftover, so it doesn't get mushy. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna season a little bit more with my little sweet kiss sauce. I'm gonna put in the veggies. Tomatoes, look at that. Now that the fried rice is cooked, I'm gonna show you one more authentic Thai technique that is called Nam Pla Pik, which is like the seasoning fish sauce that you go with, the rice dish. So in here is fish sauce, and I'm gonna chop some chili. And then just a tiny bit of squeeze of lime. And after you squeeze, you can just drop the whole thing in. How about that? And some veggies on the top. How about another slice of lime? I hope you enjoyed this dish, and go make yourself, and I hope you love it. And remember, the best ingredient is cook with love.